every year you help my school. Last year you helped us buy new buses that we needed. My school is the largest traditional Catholic school in the world today. I go to school at St. Mary's Academy with over 800 other kids. My name is Vogel, and I am in first grade. This year we receive the first time in our first Holy Communion. We are learning how to read good books and also catechism, so we can be good Catholics. I really appreciate those who have given, helped, and donated to our school. We really need your help to continue growing. Will you help us keep Catholic education alive? Click on the link below my video. Enter my name on your raffle ticket for a chance to win $20,000 on April 10th for a 2015 car and other many prizes. Help my school's raffle and keep Catholic education alive.